Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for just starting InDesign. What I'm going to go over in this tutorial is going to be just simply opening a new document and choosing your document settings. We're going to go ahead and this would be the basic overview of opening a new document. I'll probably go ahead and create another tutorial for things like bleed, margins, etc. But as you can see, I already have opened up my InDesign. What I'm going to go ahead and do is show you how to just create a brand new document. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click Create New here. Now another way of getting a new document is going to be, of course, that good old-fashioned File, New, and then choosing a document there. Notice also that we have next to that a command key, or a keystroke if you will, and that's going to be Command N on a Mac, and it's going to be Control on a PC. So it just doesn't matter. Just remember it's the whatever the modifier key is, which is Command on a Mac and Control on a PC. So I'm going to hit Document here, but as you saw, I could hit Create New. And what I have here is just that basic document setting. So I can make a brand new document. It shows me my most recent settings that I've used in other pages. But I just want to go through these. So we have recent, we have saved. Saved is going to be any kind of preloaded. You can also find templates and load them into here. You can make your own customizable one and save them here. So these are just any presets that you make or maybe you find on the internet. Then we have print, and these are some preloaded ones that Adobe has given us, as well as web, and then mobile. But in the class that I teach, I really just look at just the printed document. We won't be messing with web or mobile quite yet. That would be in my next class, which is InDesign 2. So currently what I can do is notice these preset details here. I can go ahead and title my document if I'd like. And then notice here I can choose the width, height, and units. So the main thing here is you want to change your units to something that you understand. Pica has been using in the print industry for many years. But what I like to do is change it to inches, something that I understand easily. If you enjoy centimeters, you can go ahead and do that. But that's the main thing. And notice here my 8.5 by 11 is the standard printer paper kind of size, and my orientation is going to be either portrait or landscape. And you've got to choose these things ahead of time. You can modify them afterwards, but it's always nice if you can always not recreate the work afterwards. Now here I have facing pages. Facing pages allows me to make sure that I have two pages that are facing each other. So like for instance, if we're making a book, they're going to be, as you open your hands up, right? Maybe you put your hands together and pretend like you have a book, you're opening a book. You have two palms that are facing each other. Or if you imagine your hands are a book, you have two facing pages. The words are facing each other. Here we have how many pages this document is going to be and the start number here. As I said here, I'm going to go ahead and continue another tutorial about bleed, margins, and slug. But since I'm ready for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and hit create. And then now I've started my first InDesign document.